Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a Google Analytics property. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Analytics, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, there are several reasons why someone might consider deleting a Google Analytics property. For example, if you have properties that are no longer relevant or actively used, deleting them can help declutter your Google Analytics account and simplify your reporting interface. Over time, businesses may change their focus, restructure, or merge with other entities, so deleting obsolete properties helps maintain a cleaner and more organized account structure. Now, in this case, once you have logged into your account, I need you to hover to the cog icon setting in the bottom left corner where it says admin. Once you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here in this admin settings, and all you have to do is go to the property and click on the property details. All right. Now in here, all you have to do is this is where you can delete a Google Analytics property. Please remember that Google Analytics has limits on the number of properties and views you can have in an account. I believe as of the right now, like 50 properties per account, but I could be wrong, so let us know in the comment. But deleting unused properties frees up space for new ones that may be more relevant to your current business needs. Now, this is going to be the property name, and all I have to do is click to move to trash can. Okay, what will happen is that would send this to the bin, trash bin. And if in case I wanted to, now if I hit the move to trash can, all right, so you are given a notification that you are about to move Andy Guy to the trash can, where it be scheduled for deletion, all right. And if you want to proceed with that, all you have to do is click on the move to trash option. For example, you already needed the property again, the Google Analytics property. Now in this case, all I'm gonna do is go to the trash again because you already need it. Click on the restore option, and what will happen is you would be forwarded here again on the same page. When you click on the property and click on property details, the Andy Guide property name is already here. All right. And that's basically how you delete a Google Analytics property. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.